If you think your hometown is quiet, wait until you hear about Point Nemo. This isn't just a remote place, it's the most isolated spot on the entire planet, a location so far from civilization that it's almost like being on another world. Imagine standing somewhere so silent, so untouched by human presence that the only sounds you hear are the gentle lapping of waves and the distant calls of seabirds. If there are any at all, deep in the endless blue of the Pacific Ocean lies a spot so remote most people have never even heard of it. It's a place where the horizon stretches in every direction, unbroken by land or even the faintest outline of an island. For centuries, sailors and explorers have crossed these waters, but few have ever come close to this mysterious point. Point Nemo, officially known as the oceanic pole of inaccessibility, is the farthest point from any land on Earth. It's not just a dot on a map, it's a symbol of true remoteness, a place that challenges our ideas of what it means to be alone. The nearest landmasses are over 1,600 miles away in every direction, making it the ultimate definition of isolation. Imagine standing somewhere that's over 1,600 miles or about 2,688 kilometers from the nearest shore. That's Point Nemo. If you were stranded here, rescue would be a monumental challenge. There's no land, no islands, and almost no ships passing by. It's a place where you're truly at the mercy of the sea and sky, surrounded by nothing but water for days in every direction. To put it in perspective, the International Space Station often flies closer to you than any human is to Point Nemo. That's right, astronauts orbiting hundreds of kilometers above Earth are sometimes your closest neighbors. It's a mind-bending fact that highlights just how remote this spot really is. Its exact coordinates, about 48 degrees south, 123 degrees west, smack in the middle of nowhere. If you were to plot it on a map, you'd see it surrounded by thousands of kilometers of open ocean, with no sign of civilization in sight. It's a place that exists more in the imagination than in reality for most people. The name Nemo comes from Latin, meaning no one, and honestly, that fits. It's also a nod to Captain Nemo, the legendary submarine captain from Jules Verne's 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. Both the name and the location evoke a sense of mystery and adventure, as if this spot was made for explorers and dreamers. Even marine life is scarce here, thanks to the lack of nutrients in these deep waters. The currents that flow through Point Nemo don't bring much food, so only the hardiest and most adaptable creatures can survive. It's a biological desert, a place where life struggles to gain a foothold, making it even more mysterious and unique. In fact, when scientists want to crash old satellites safely, they aim for this area because there's almost zero chance of hitting anyone or anything. Over the years, dozens of spacecraft have ended their journeys here, turning Point Nemo into a kind of space graveyard. It's a silent witness to the end of many technological marvels, resting on the ocean floor far from human eyes. But the mysteries don't stop there. The isolation and inaccessibility of Point Nemo have sparked the imagination of scientists, writers, and conspiracy theorists alike. Some wonder what secrets might be hidden beneath its waves, in the darkness where few have ever ventured. Point Nemo has inspired wild theories, from hidden sea monsters to lost civilizations lurking beneath the waves. Some even speculate about strange sounds detected in the area, like the famous bloop, a mysterious underwater noise that baffled researchers for years. Could there be unknown creatures or ancient ruins waiting to be discovered? Truth is, we've barely explored it. The sheer remoteness and harsh conditions make scientific expeditions rare and challenging. Most of what we know comes from satellites and remote sensors, not from first-hand exploration. There's a whole world beneath the waves that remains a blank spot on our maps. In a world that feels mapped and measured, Point Nemo reminds us there are still places untouched, waiting for curious minds to wonder. What's really out there? It's a testament to the enduring mysteries of our planet, a place that challenges us to keep exploring, keep asking questions, and never lose our sense of wonder about the unknown.